this is the final video. I promise. This is the final video that we're doing right now. Because this is the end of the toy haul. This toy that I'm gonna about to show, this is the last toy that we got from these toys. But as you can see right now, if you can guess, we have one Indoraptor, two Indoraptor. Now these are the same posable Indoraptor. This is of my cousin Abdullah and this is mine. And you can just see the incredible posability that you can put these toys in. They look like they're about to battle. And this actually looks a good scenario for a dinosaur fight. Yeah, that looks awesome. The posability for these toys were incredible. But the thing that would really try to make me go like nuts was like, what if, because we know, if you remember, when the first time Toy Fair hit and the New York Comic Con showed their own picture for that Indoraptor, I said that we had a close look at the Indoraptor, the posable one. But I was wrong. That was the second Indoraptor. And do you remember the trash and throw? Yeah, this is awesome. The awesome trash and throw T-Rex. You can thrash it about and then, yeah, it makes a roll. So this thrash and throw T-Rex. No, not right. Not right now. Not right now. Okay. I know.
There you go.
That hurt. There was a second Indoraptor, and yeah.
We're talking about the grab and growl.
The grab and growl Indoraptor. This is an awesome toy. That's awesome. Then you got this awesome. This is very glossy compared to the posable one. And can we all just agree this looks more accurate than the other one?
It's way too big. It's way too fat.
Yeah.
Indoraptor was supposed to be sleek, small, not small but agile. This thing looks fat.
I don't care about that much because whatever
it's got
you.
less posability.
Okay, so we have one more part. Okay then. Oh, I don't wanna, bro. Okay. Are you free? Oh no, you ain't free. Wow, they really tied you up.
There's another one.
Oh, you kidding me? Okay.
Yeah, it's
But as you can see, this looks so much like the trash and throw packaging. It's the same thing. The broken cage,
fence.
the broken fence, yes. But the difference is you ain't getting that lava. You're getting that rainy Lockwood Manor feeling. And here it is, the grab and growl Indoraptor.
Let's see if it stands.
Okay, I know it ain't gonna stand.
What?
First of all, it stands
So
because the last video that I did with Ceratosaurus, it wasn't standing.
on the phone. It's got webbed feet. Why has it got webbed feet?
Your toy has the posable one has well got the webbed feet.
No.
Yes.
No.
Look at that.
At least it's not till here. It's off. Is that a duck?
Dude, you're really trying to shove that down. I know you like that
No,
posable
I really
one.
like this one as well. I'm just giving my honesty. Like, unlike you just say Mattel's toys are the best.
So yeah, they are the best.
Yes, I know, but you just say without.
No, I'm just trying.
No. You just do that.
Dude, please, I don't want to mess right now because right now we have one of the glorious looking Indoraptor. This figure.
Oh. What? Oh my. Oh. Nightclub.
So you have an articulated head, which is good. Oh, here we go. Are we not finding the problems? it's always you?
No, it's fine. There we go. No.
It's having problems. Okay. Now, yes. There you go. So, this one, in comparison to the opposable one,
But all of them, yes!
it's big. It's bigger than the older one. It's fatter than the older one.
If you can see.
Like,
line
look
in
at
the-
that. Look at that
These
difference.
posables one are sleek. This one has all that mechanism, so
Yeah,
it has
that's why
forced
it's fat.
material
But
to make it larger.
But like, look at that feature.
Yeah, that is so cool. I really love it. So you can have blue on top of there, and it will shaking off.
And wait a minute, I gotta just make it into the. Dude, the elbows are pretty stiff.
Yes.
Holy.
That's the reason I prefer. Oh god.
Holy! Oh my God! Wait.
Don't break it. Don't break your new toy. Holy crap.
Yeah, that is hard. I don't want to break it.
There we go. And what about the biting feature? Show the biting feature. There we go.
And can you see that red light? Oh, that's.
That's flashing. If you can see when you do the grabbing feature, the light goes beep 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 beep. But
Oh God, that was a
if
big.
you bite it, the light stays on for long.
Wait. But I really want to see how does this work. Hold up. Like, that is awesome. Like, you can thrash it around. But the most coolest feature is that you can do it at the same time.
Kind of a letdown because the eyes. I would prefer the eyes to be open. Yes, if you would like to recreate the Can We Create Death scene, the Indoraptor is sleeping with the eyes closed. Would you stop it? Stop!
Dude, I want to create that
Hold on,
all
hold on.
features.
No. Look at that. Now it looks like it's closed, but if you do the bite thing and it opens
Oh.
with grabbing the arm.
But wait, I really want to see if it
Hold
can.
on, where's the mercenary? I wanna test it.
Where is that mercenary?
Oh god.
Hey,
Okay,
hold up.
Can we at least see him coming up? Spoilers if you haven't seen the movie yet.
And why wouldn't you have seen the movie? The movie was great.
Actually, some people haven't still seen it.
I really don't know why they haven't seen it still.
Make it lighter.
Dude, okay, that is kinda not good. Cause
It's stiff because of the action.
and you know the problem, one thing that you see the seam line, it does not go far. You have to just keep it right like that.
Yes, that's fine.
Holy, that looks smaller. That looks good. Like, I don't know if you can really see this, but like you can actually put it into all, and then you can rotate the head and it's now watching you. And actually, does this scene actually remind you of something?
Oh, it's got laser in its mouth.
Actually, how the hell did he get that? But do you remember the scene from the movie? This is a pretty big spoiler. This is the same time an Indoraptor is watching Owen right there, and then you see on the top of that other roof, Blue is waiting for you, and then roars, and
Spoil it.
then mercenary got squashed, and then yeah. Okay, wait. I really want to see, will it work? The hand, and then, bam.
Yes, because it opens the eyes.
Oh, that looks good. That looks.
And then flip. He slides there. Do a roll. Finish.
Also,
Oh god. Yeah, it's got red.
No, it doesn't have that ratchet joint, but it has these locking position. And if I can only get that scene to pass. That looks awesome. I love this Indoraptor. The grab and growl. Why are you laughing? Just imagine this creature coming for you. People say this is a trashing feature. Actually, yeah, it is.
So,
Like, but the Indoraptor was supposed to do this sort of feature. That looks.
it's dancing like this. Cringe.
But no. Do you remember that scene when Blue jumps on the Indoraptor and he just flashes towards that window? And you can recreate that, like he's like this and boom, crashes down barriers the hard way. But okay, I mean this Indoraptor, and even one thing that I really want to compare are the teeth.
They're not teeth.
Teeth. The teeth are so different, and look at the face. Actually, when you realize this grab and growl Indoraptor head is way accurate than the posable Indoraptor. Wow, I never actually noticed that this Indoraptor had more.
That all the time. Don't lie.
No, I'm promising I really don't know that. I promise. I really don't know that. But that is crazy. Right now, just a toy review haul. It's a toy review haul that you're getting. You're getting this sort of grabbing action. Wait, can I grab it? Oh, just throws him out of the barriers. And the mouth actually can close. And you open it, you can rotate the head. But then the other features goes into his actual tail.
Dead bugger. Then what happens?
Dude, you gotta be careful because this has some mechanics. You don't.
Who cares? These are toys. You can play with them all the time.
But this is awesome. There is no way that. Do you guys already know what I'm gonna rate this? Yes, I'm gonna rate this 10 out of 10. This is the best. Well, he just left. So guys, as I was saying, this toy is 10 out of 10. This is the best Indoraptor. It depends on your price point. If you want a low, cheap version, like if you don't have that much money and you want a dinosaur which looks cool, which looks accurate, get the posable Indoraptor. Yeah. But if you are like, yeah, I want a good toy, like I want some action feature, you can easily. This is far more superior than the posable Indoraptor.
It's your choice. If you want articulation,
I was just saying that.
If you want action feature, you want that. So shut up and listen to me.
I don't want to listen to you.
Because I'm always right and you're always wrong?
No.
Yes.
Because you're always wrong and you talk stupid things.
No, you stop.
That actually is pretty cool. So guys, this wraps up today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I will see you next time. Oh my. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.